dedication, hard work, and passion. Managing 25 energetic 5-year-olds.
It's about that time. In a minute, I'ma need a sentimental man or woman to pump me up.
Feeling fussy, walking in my Balenciagas, trying to bring out the fabulous.
Cause I give a thought way too much. I'ma need some more pop in my cup. Wanna get up, wanna get down. That's how I feel right now. Oh, I've been so down and under pressure.
I'm way too fine to be distressed, yeah.
Next up, I have Jada Lynn, E.O.
Turn up the music, turn down the lights. I got a feeling I'm gonna be alright. Okay, okay, alright. It's about that time. Turn up the music, let's celebrate. I got a feeling I'm gonna be okay. Okay, okay, alright. It's about that time, kids.
Cause you know what time it is. I'm coming out tonight. I'm coming out tonight.
I'm coming out tonight. I'm coming out tonight. I'm coming out.
Jada, I'm so proud of you. You're so amazing, so helpful, so kind. You can read and write and do all the other amazing things. I'm so proud of you. You're going to do amazing things. I love you so much.
Okay, I just want to say for Jada, I love you so much, Jada. I remember Lisa Teacher Night. You wasn't feeling me. Now I'm your favorite. I love you. You can read, you can write, you can do anything, big girl. Let's hoorah, go Warriors!